Hello and welcome to another lecture in free code series on ParrotOS Linux by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like ParrotOS course overview and objectives, then we had covered course content, then we had covered introduction to ParrotOS Linux, then setup and installation of ParrotOS on various cloud including AWS, GCP and Azure. Then we had covered comparing ParrotOS with Kali and Black Arc Linux ecosystem on the basis of Kali Linux comparison, Black Arc Linux comparison, and one of the most important parameter is community and support. So next we had covered mastering package management, then we had covered testing and digital forensic with ParrotOS, then we had covered social media with ParrotOS. Then in this lecture, we'll talking about vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotOS. This is not an uh, demonstration lecture. Basically, we will talking about deep overview of vulnerability assessment and web application analysis with ParrotOS. Basically, like what is vulnerability analysis or what is web application analysis with ParrotOS, and what are the various tools you find on ParrotOS ecosystem or ParrotOS in ParrotOS, so that you can use for vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotOS. I will also show you some important resources for learning vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotOS in demonstration in demonstration or in well explained process. Okay, so yeah, let's start our lecture first. So today we're delving into the reliable vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotOS. In this lecture, we explore how ParrotOS provide powerful tools and techniques for identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities in web application. Let's get started. First, let's discuss vulnerability analysis. It involves identifying weakness or loopholes in system software that can be explained by attackers. With ParrotOS, we have access to a wide range of tools for vulnerability assessment, and from network scanners like Nmap to vulnerability scanner like NIC2 and OWASP. ParrotOS offers uh, ParrotOS offers a comprehensive toolkit for discovering vulnerabilities in web application and services. Now let's shift our focus to web application analysis. So basically, this process involves is examining the security posture of web application to uncover potential vulnerabilities such as SQL engine, cross-site scripting, and insecure authentication mechanism. ParrotOS provides specialized tools like Worksuite and OWASP-ZEP for conducting in-depth analysis of web application. These tools allow us to intercept and manipulate HTTP requests, identify security flaws, and generate detailed reports. So, this is not a demonstration process lecture. So, I will show you some important resources to learn more about vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotOS. And let's move first our ParrotOS. Okay, so basically this is our ParrotOS, and here you can find about all the things about vulnerability assessment tools and other tools also. So if you check this, so if you click on vulnerability analysis, so here you can find about the Cisco tools, fuzzing tools, open VAS tools, stress testing tools, VoIP tools, lot of tools for in vulnerability analysis. And if you click on web application analysis tools, so you can find about CMS and framework identification, web and application proxies, web crawlers and directory brute force, vulnerability scanners. Then these all are the tools that you find about that you find in ParrotOS about vulnerability analysis and web application analysis. So if you want to learn more about vulnerability analysis and web application analysis in detail, and also you want a demonstration process for this, so you can check out our Kali Linux course on YouTube, like on techlatest.net channel on YouTube, that is cybersecurity and Kali Linux free and comprehensive course, hands-on course. Okay, so basically here you can find about the all the things like vulnerability assessment and network like vulnerability and other things like which web application analysis. Okay, so if you check out this course, so you can find about the web app pen testing and other things also. You can also find other lectures here like password mastery, and we will define all the lecture in very deep and in very detail if you click on this lecture. So this lecture is all about the web app pen testing. So we use a lot of tools in this lecture for demonstration process. So you can check this codes for demonstration process if you want to learn about more about ParrotOS vulnerability analysis and vulnerability analysis and web application analysis. So you can check it out this course on our YouTube channel, and this is totally free course. Okay, so you find all the detailed things here, about all the tools. We will guide you in detail about all the tools, like how you use these tools and other things. So yep, that's all about this lecture, and thank you for watching us. Please like, subscribe, and show some support to our channel, and thank you for watching us. We will meet in next video.